Today I'm gonna show you a stretching routine to correct your uneven shoulders that'll take less than 5 minutes. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Brett Maverick here. I hope you all are having an awesome day so far. Here on this channel, we talk about everything self-development. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and also consider following me on Instagram at BrettMVRK. I put a ton of stuff on there you won't find anywhere else. So if your body is in proper alignment, then your shoulders should be at the same height and a bit back and down, hanging by your side. So if that's not the case, then it's likely that you have uneven shoulders. You can see this most of the time just by looking in the mirror. And contrary to popular belief, it's most often caused by habit, things that you do. So usually it's a repetition of motion. So, you know, something like carrying grocery bags only on your right side. You get these different heights in the supporting muscles around your shoulders, or from consistent improper posture that can lead to unevenness in your muscles. So these are 3 exercises that are gonna help stretch out these supporting muscles around your shoulders. So the first exercise is gonna help balance out that levator scapular. That's the muscle in the back of your neck, right down here. If one of them is tight from constant motion, such as carrying bags only on that side, then if it's tight, it's gonna pull your shoulder up towards your head and it's gonna cause that unevenness. So for this, we're gonna do the ear to shoulder stretch. How you do this is you let one of your arms hang freely next to your side, pointing straight down, and then you put your chin a bit forward and then just drop your head to the other side, letting gravity completely pull your head downwards, and you should feel a good stretch in that levator scapular. And if you want, you can use your opposite hand to either just hold your shoulder down so it's not tempted to rise up, or massage out that muscle actually as you're doing the exercise. So it looks like this. You should feel a really good stretch in the back of your neck. So you're gonna do this for 10 seconds on each side, doing 3 sets, plus 1 more set to whichever side felt more tight. Next exercise is gonna focus on the pectoralis minor. If one of your pec muscles gets tight, then it's gonna pull your shoulder forward and down, causing an unevenness. So we're gonna do a pretty common stretch known as the wall pec stretch. So to do this, you can just find a doorway or even just a wall, and then have your arm at about a 90-degree angle, maybe just a little bit more, and open your palm and put your forearm and your palm up against the doorway or wall. Then you just move your torso forward until you feel a good stretch throughout your pec. But don't go too far because you don't want to strain or pull your pec muscle, but you should feel a good stretch going throughout your pec fibers. So it'll look like this. And the last exercise is gonna focus on the latissimus dorsi. That's the back muscle right here under your armpits on either side. If one of those gets tight, then it's gonna have an inverse effect, pulling your shoulder down towards your body. So this exercise doesn't have a cool name. I'll just call it the alternating lat stretch. And to do it, you just stand with your feet shoulder width apart, grab whichever wrist of the side that you want to stretch, bring your arms straight above your head, and then just slowly stretch in the opposite direction of the side you want to stretch, and hold it there when you feel a good stretch. So it looks like this. That feels good. You should really feel a good stretch, feel those muscle fibers pulling apart. And if you want to, you can actually grab onto something like one of the weight racks at the gym, and then just move your body away from it to allow it to naturally stretch those muscle fibers. So do this for 10 to 15 seconds on each side, do at least 3 sets, and then 1 more set on whichever side is more tight. And that's it, guys. Obviously, if you start doing this, you're not gonna see overnight success and balance in your shoulders, but with consistent work, doing this 3 times a week, eventually you'll start to achieve that evenness back into your shoulders. I know from experience because I had a lot of problems with my shoulders, so I would know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Good luck with the exercises, and until next time, peace.